a second. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Romy and I make videos about living a kinder, simpler and more confident lifestyle. So if you're into that, you can just subscribe to my channel right now and make sure to like this video if you're into zero waste skincare. So today I'm going to show you guys a recipe for making your own face wash powder at home. It's completely vegan, cruelty free, it's very easy to make, so we're gonna jump right in. But make sure to stay tuned until the end of the video because there are a few details that I wanted to talk to you guys about just to make sure that it's suitable to your skincare and gives you the best benefits. So the first thing you're gonna need is a container. I got this one from Lush, but any container will do as long as it's not metal. The first ingredient is grounded oats. So I just bought quick oats and grinded them in a blender to make it powdery. I'm making a small batch, so only 2 teaspoons is enough for me. Next is bentonite clay. This is a very important ingredient as it is the one that will absorb the oil and impurities from your face. Because my skin type is mixed, 1 teaspoon is enough for me, but you might want to add more if your face is oily or less if it's dry and sensitive. It's very important to use a non-metal spoon because bentonite clay basically absorbs everything, including the metals in the spoon. Next up is almond flour. You can find it in the grocery store, but you can also grind some almonds in a blender to get the powder. The next ingredient that I use is chamomile. This is actually optional. I took the grounded chamomile flowers at the bottom of the packaging so I didn't have to use a blender. And lastly, you can add 3 drops of the essential oils of your choice. I like to use tea tree and lavender essential oil, but I ran out of lavender for this recipe. Both lavender and tea tree oil are very good for acne-prone skin. Tea tree is antibacterial and lavender is very calming. Just remember that for essential oils, less is more because they're very strong, so you need to be careful. The way I like to use it is just wetting my fingers and dipping them in the powder. This way it's very easy to apply on my face. I don't need to use a spoon. And that's it. Now you have a super clean face. And what's great about this recipe is that it also gently exfoliates your skin, which is why I find that it's really good for acne-prone skin. So I've been using this recipe for about a year and a half, and it's worked really well on my skin. This face wash really helped me clear my skin as well, so it's definitely suitable for acne prone skin. As I said before, if you have very oily skin or sensitive skin, you can put less bentonite clay or more depending on your skin type. Personally, my skin type is mixed, which is why I only used 1 teaspoon of bentonite clay, and this worked really well for me, but I am not a professional and I cannot guarantee that this will work for you. But I highly recommend to give it a try. You can make a really small batch and try to see what works for your skin. If you see that it's too drying, maybe put less clay. This is what's great about this recipe. You can really customize it however you want for your skin type. And lastly, I recommend making a small batch because it can actually go bad. I've had my face wash powder go bad because I made a big batch and I didn't put it in the fridge. And also it was summer, so it spoiled really fast. So if you live in a warm environment and also summer is coming soon, I highly recommend to make either small batches at a time, or you can just keep it in the fridge, and this way it's gonna have a longer shelf life. So it's really up to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can press a like, subscribe to my channel. You can also check out these videos right here, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye! Whoa. Yeah, merde. Okay, peace.